Hello K1 Visa filers. How are you? Kumusta po ang lahat? Now, in this video, I'm going to share with you my K1 visa timeline. How soon did I apply when we first met in person with my fiance? When did I received my know what to or the approved notice of I-129F petition? When did I do my interview? Did I got refused 221G? And when did I got approved on my K1 visa? So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Please click the bell button to get notified on my upload and updates about K1 Fiancé Visa. And please don't forget to give this video a like. So hello everybody. Hello po. Kumusta? How are you all? Kumusta po ang lahat? So hello, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Jhai and Jerry. So yes, if you notice, I'm going to try my best to speak in English throughout the entire video, so please bear with me. I have non-Filipino viewers who's been asking me actually to speak in English so they understand as well. Some of you here are fiancés of my fellow Filipina, my fellow K1 visa filers, and some are from other countries that are processing their K1 visa as well. You have been telling me to speak in English. Please speak in English. We're not Filipinos. You have other viewers that speak or understand English. So I'm going to try my best to speak in English throughout this entire video. So please bear with me. So yes, if you are new to my channel, my name is Jhai. I am originally from the Philippines, but I live now in Florida. And just like you, I got here through a K1 Fiancé visa. And right now, I am a green card holder under 2 years conditional. So next year, early next year, I will be applying for my removal of conditions for my 2 years green card. And I will still be uploading videos, or I will upload the process of how I did it. And then I will do a timeline as well, just like this. So yes, for this video, I'm going to share with you my K1 visa timeline. How soon did I apply? When did I got approved? Did I go through refused 221G? Did we received RFE letter from the USCIS? All of that. Just a quick disclaimer. I am not affiliated with any government agency nor working with or as an immigration attorney. I am not a professional or a legal expert. I'm only sharing based on my personal experience and my research as a DIY filer or do-it-yourself K1 visa filer. It's just me and my husband who filled out the forms, gathered all the necessary documents that comes with it, submitted our application. It's just the two of us. I encourage everybody to do your own research as well, because it's much better that you know the processes, you know what you are sending, you know the updates right now of what's going on with the immigration and the visa as well. Always check the official website of the USCIS or the US visas. That's uscis.gov. ustraveldocs.gov, and of course the travel.state.gov. Those are the official website of the US visas. That's where I always rely to for updates, news, and everything. Anything that you need to know about the US visa, it's right there. So please check those website. Just read everything. It just takes a lot of time to read, but you will really understand. You'll really have your answer from there. So yes, without further ado, let's start it. So my husband and I met in person in February of 2022. We applied and submitted our I-129F petition on July of 2021. So that's more than 1 year after our first meeting. So we submitted our application in July of 2021. 2 days after we submitted it, we received our receipt notice, or the NOAA 1, that's what they call it, the Notice of Action 1, the receipt notice from the USCIS. 14 months later. Yes, that's how long it took for our I-129F petition to get approved. We got our NOAA 2, or the approved notice of our I-129F petition, on September of 2022. That's how long it took it. So after that, I just waited to receive the NVC letter. I did not do public inquiry, but you can also do a public inquiry if 30 days after you receive your NOAA 2, you didn't receive any NVC letter. I have a video right here on how to do a public inquiry if you haven't received your NVC letter from the NVC after 30 days from the time you receive your NOAA 2 or your approved notice of your I-129F petition. You can do a public inquiry. It's also seen, you can also read that instruction in your NOAA 2 paper. November 22, we receive our NVC letter. That's over 2 months. That's how long it took as well for our NVC to arrive. We receive our NVC letter on November 22. I check at the Consular Electronic Application Center website on what's the status of our case, and it says their case ready. November 23, I went ahead and fill out DS-160 for the online application for the non-immigrant visa. If you are unsure on how to do it, I have a step-by-step guide on how to fill out DS-160. Please check this video right here. I will also put the link in the description box down below. So I submitted my DS-160 on November 23. I just let December pass because we Filipinos are really big on Christmas celebration, so I just let it pass. And as we all know, NOAA 2, or the approved notice of our I-129F petition, is only valid for 4 months. And mine expires on January 5 of 2023. So what I did is I requested to extend the validity of my NOAA 2, or the approved notice of my I-129F petition. I have a video right here on how to do it, how to request for your NOAA 2 to extend the validity of that one. But you don't have to worry, because according to the website, a consular officer can also automatically extend the validity of your I-129F petition if you are still processing your K-1 visa. But I went ahead and requested for it because it won't hurt anyway. So January 6, I went ahead and booked for my interview at the U.S. Embassy in Manila, Philippines. And the available slot that time was March 2 and beyond. So I went ahead and got the March 2, 6:30 in the morning. I also booked for my medical, and they gave me the February 1 and 2 schedule. I paid through the bank, so I don't have to carry cash with me when I do my medical and my interview as well. So I went ahead and paid my medical and interview. If you're a Filipino and you're about to do or pay for your medical, I have a video on how to pay for your medical fee online and what are the available cards that they accept. So please check that video right there, or click the link in the description box below. So February 1 and 2, I did my medical, and thank goodness I did not got sputum. So my medical was okay. I was not under sputum. March 2, I did my interview, but unfortunately I have one document that is missing and is very crucial in the requirements for your visa interview. I got refused 221G. I did not have my NBI clearance that time with my AKA name because they were not able to release it because my AKA name got hit. There was like another person that has the same name as mine that probably has some criminal record or something, so they are still verifying it. So on the day of my interview, I did not have that document, so they put me on refuse 221G, and my interviewer told me that I don't have to go back to the US Embassy in Manila since I live from the province. All I have to do is to bring the document to LBC drop off, and LBC knows what to do with it. So my interviewer gave me my 221G paper together with my 2 pamphlet. Yes, my interviewer already gave me my 2 pamphlet even though I got refused 221G. So March 14, my missing document was released. I brought it to LBC and LBC shipped it to US Embassy in Manila. US Embassy received my document on March 20 of 2023. March 21, when I logged into SEAC, my date has changed from March 2 to March 21. Yet, it's still the same. It still says refused. And I've been logging in every day, once every day. And when I log in on March 24, my visa got approved. Yes, finally. So my visa got approved on March 24. March 27, when I logged in again, it says issued. And then later on in the afternoon, late afternoon, I received an email from LBC, from one of the personnels of LBC. And then it was indicated there my full name, my address, my tracking number of my visa in my yellow pocket. And since I live in Cagayan de Oro City, March 27, they shipped it. March 31, I received it. I received my visa on hand. So that was the time frame of my K1 visa. It took 20 months for my K1 visa from start to finish. So it was all in all 20 months. I did my CFO after that. My CFO was not until April 21, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, that's when I had my CFO seminar, and then I left the Philippines on June 28th of 2023. It took 20 months because it was during pandemic. We applied it during pandemic, and then the backlogs in 2022. But right now, most of the people that I have talked to, especially when I do live stream every morning, Central Time Zone in America, their K1 visa timeline takes about from 8 to 15 months. That's the time frame right now that I've seen mostly as of right now, 2025. And some of them, they receive their NOAA 2 or the approved notice of their I-129F petition. It takes about from ranging or estimation from 4 months to 10 months. That's the average right now of when most of the people receive their I-129F approved notice for the approved notice of their I-129F petition. So thank you very much, everybody. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to like this video, to share this video to your friends or anyone you know that is still processing their visa. That's my timeline. I hope your timeline is shorter than mine. So good luck everybody. For those that are still processing their K1 visa, you can do it, guys, and I believe in you. You can do it. Just submit the necessary documents that you need with you on your interview day so you avoid getting refused 221G. So again, visit my YouTube channel, watch my videos, go to playlist. There's an album title there, K1 Visa and AOS Step-by-Step Guide and Tips. You can find some of the videos there. And yes, what's next? I've actually posted a video of my green card timeline. Please check this video. I think I have speak there mostly Filipino. I think I've talked there mostly Filipino, not English. So I might be doing an English version of it. Anyways, I do appreciate you, everybody. Thank you, thank you. Thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!